In the halls of USTP, I found my stride, but oh, this journey's been a roller coaster ride. From sleepless nights and a coffee stains to chasing dreams through growing pains. One moment I'm soaring, grades flying high. Next, I'm drowning in the deadlines, asking why. Laughter echoes in group chats late, but so those silent cries at 12:08. Exams hit hard like twists and turns, but every failure become a lesson learned. Professor strict, but wisdom deep, pushing us further losing sleep. Yet through the chaos and one true remains, that growth is born through trials and pains. Oh USDP, you've carved my name in pride. In this roller coaster, I learned so right. So here I stand, not just surviving the tide, but rising strong with fire inside.